everybody. Welcome to our channel, Southern Belles. My name's Wanda and
I'm Rebecca.
And she's off camera again tonight. I always get her really late at night after a hard day. But we are here today with our football edition of
Stitch Fit.
Yay!
Yay! Rah, rah, cheer, cheer.
That's right. So, it's almost football season here, and in this house we love our football. There's a Facebook thing that says, throughout the year she's a gentle southern lady, but then comes football season. And that's kind of me.
That's right. You should see her watching a football game.
That's right. We cheer on our local football team here, which my son's actually going to be helping coach and stuff this year. And, of course, we cheer on our beloved Clemson Tigers. Go Tigers! But I wrote my stylist, Nichole, a note, and I told her that I would love to have some comfortable clothes to have for football season. And it's still pretty warm during the first part of football season anyway. So I'm kind of anxious to see what she sent. You have anything to say, Rebecca? I keep looking this way because she's over here.
I'm excited to see what she sent and ready to cheer on the Clemson Tigers this year.
Okay, that's right. So when I open our box, it looks kind of like this. I have looked in it a little bit, though, I will admit. And I have my bundle, and it's a very small bundle. And it has a lot of colors in here. I'm looking for that purple and orange, Clemson orange. I see a little bit. Okay. And let's open it up and get started. And it looks like it's all tops this time. And the first top looks like this, and it is in an orangish color. I'm anxious to try that. It feels like a knit top. It has a little bit of a pattern on front.
I'm going to squeeze my hand in here to feel.
Yeah, it feels
It is soft, very soft. I like
and
that.
it has, would you call that mixed material because it's a little bit different in the back than it is in the front? Yeah, it feels more stretchy, knittish on the back, and not quite as stretchy on the front. But that's a really pretty blouse. I like that. Okay, and then we have a Collective Concepts, kind of a
that's pretty.
wrap. I found that I like these wrap type tops.
I like the sleeves on that one too.
It's pretty. It's got little polka dots on it. I don't know if you call them polka dots, but they're dots in a random pattern. A little bit of crochet detail. So yeah, pretty color. Alright, and then we have a West Key top that, oh, this is very, very sheer. Very, very sheer.
It does look summery.
It is summery. I don't know if this is going to be a breathable material. We'll have to see when I get it on. But again, it has that kind of, not really a knot detail at the bottom. But I actually like that look. So I'm anxious to try that on and see. That would be a good top for me to wear for school. I don't know that I'd wear it for football, tailgating, or anything like that.
But for work.
Yeah, for work that would be nice. Okay. Now we have a Skies Are Blue. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, no, I like that a lot.
That looks like you. It's a pretty white top, and it is, again, it's in a stretchy material. I could see that being for football season because I think it would be very cool and very breathable for sitting outside watching a football game.
And white works with the Clemson colors.
It does.
Too.
You're right. Oh, if I had some orange pants. Oh, that would be nice.
That would be nice. I think I do have a top that's similar to that. That's probably why it looks like me. I think I got some Stitch Fits actually a few years ago.
Pretty detail on the front, so I like that. Okay. And then lastly, we have some purple, which is one of Clemson's other colors, orange and purple. So this is just that cross front V-neck, which I have a long sleeve navy cross front V-neck shirt like this, and I wear it a good bit. So again, very comfortable. I could see me wearing this on a Saturday or a Friday night. Although our high school colors are green and gold, but she didn't know that. I didn't tell her that. So okay, so I've got 5 tops to try. football theme, and I am ready to do the try-on, which will actually probably be tomorrow. But we'll see you in just a second.
See you soon.
Okay, so I'm back with the try-on. Actually, it's take 2 of the try-on because the cat was not being ladylike in the first take, so we're doing this again. But I am here with this white top, and Rebecca's going to give us the details of this top.
The top that Miss Wanda is wearing right now is the Skies Are Blue Airika woven lace front knit top in white, and it retails at $48.
And I'll let you get a better look at it, but this is the way, one of the ways that the styling cards had it styled, with a denim jacket and with some jeans. They actually had pink jeans and a light wash denim jacket, so I just kind of went in the reverse since this is what I had, and paired with sort of some high heel sandal booties is what I call them. You know, they're half booties and half sandals. But getting up a little bit closer, I'll show you the detail of this top. Very pretty.
It's such pretty detail. I love the lacy vintage look on it.
Yeah, it's got the lacy look all the way down. And the back is just kind of plain. And you will notice it's a thin knit material, so it shows every pocket, every stitch line, everything. You know, it might look better paired with a smooth top pair of jeans, jeggings, or whatever they call it, just to give you a smoother line and everything. But it is very pretty. It's a soft knit material, breathable, just really what you need for down here in the South at this time of year. And you said it was $48.
It is $48. That's the only thing.
Yeah, which is a little pricey for me for this type of top. I think you could probably find something fairly similar at maybe even half the price. I don't know.
Yeah, Target or somewhere like that.
But I do like it. I think Nichole did an excellent job picking this out. Alright, I'll be back with the next top. And I am back with my Clemson colored shirt, or one of my Clemson colored shirts. And which one is this, Rebecca?
Right now you are wearing the Emory Park Dulce short sleeve knit top in dark purple, and the retail price of this lovely top is $4.
So I think this is the cheapest shirt in the fix. And I like this style. I like this style shirt. I have a long sleeve navy one that I got from Fashion, actually, that's very, very similar to this. A lot of people say they are over the cross detail at the neckline, but I still like it. I think it's still pretty. So, you know, I think it's almost, I don't know if you would call it classic, but it's a detail that I think you can wear for a while. But again, just a very soft knit shirt that I like. And my lighting's kind of going in and out a little bit, so I don't know if you're able to tell exactly the color. I would almost call it eggplant. Not a true Clemson purple, but
it's
I think
a brownish purple.
I think you could get by with it at the game. I think everybody would know who you were pulling for.
Oh, yeah.
So that's my second top. And I will be back with the next one. And top number 3 is this pretty wrap. I guess it's, well, it is open, so it is a wrap, a true wrap, I guess, but it is closed down here, and it does have the modesty snap. And it has the pretty Flutter sleeves, and I always go the wrong direction. And it has the elastic waistline, which I like these. I like this style because I think it's flattering. I don't know if it's because I'm so short-waisted or whatever, but I do like the wrap tops if you can be secure. And I think this one is secure, even though it's open. It comes way over here. And you could always put fashion tape right there if you needed to, if you need a little extra. So what is this one, Rebecca?
This is the Collective Concepts Winda Flutter Detail Blouse in light blue, and it is $54. It's the Winda for Wanda blouse.
The what?
Winda for Wanda.
Yes. And I usually if it's a V-neck, I'm a little self-conscious, but I don't think this one's too low at all.
Oh no, it doesn't look inappropriate.
Again, the price, you know, and I realize this is a styling service and you are paying for the styling. And I used to love to go shopping, but not so much anymore. It's so much nicer just to have it delivered here at your home so you can try it on with what you already have to see what you do have and don't have to go with it. So I understand the pricing, and it is very well put together, well made. I understand that. So you just have to kind of, I guess, weigh things out and everything. But this is really a very cute top. I like this one.
It's very cute on you.
So, okay. Back for number 4. Now here is my football tailgating game outfit for a Saturday at Death Valley to cheer on our Clemson Tigers. Was that a big enough commercial, do you think, Rebecca?
Yes.
But yeah, this is probably not true Clemson orange, but I think it's, I don't know, let me ask my husband, would this get by as Clemson orange if I went to a game?
I think so.
He's being shy. So.
Yes, it was.
Okay. All right. So again, this is a knit top in the back. It's a little bit different material in the front, kind of sheer, but it is lined. So that's a nice thing. And yeah, I really like this. I like the style of it. I like the neckline of it. I'm not sure if it fits me exactly right here under the arms. I don't know. And I don't know, do you think it's too clingy?
Oh no, not at all.
I can't really see the back. Is it smooth if I have the right foundations on?
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Okay, so what is this one?
This is the 40-wood Hawthorne Ezide textured print top in coral. It is a size medium and it's $58 at retail price.
I don't know if you can, again, the lighting's messing up. I'm sorry, we tried to adjust. It's kind of late at night here. I don't know if you can see the pattern, the kind of chevron pattern that's in the material. But yeah, I really do like this neckline. And again, it's not too low. Nichole has been really good about that, and I appreciate the fact that she took the time to research to even see what Clemson's colors were, because she mentioned it in her note, the purple and the orange, and yeah, that took some research on her part, so that makes me feel really good, and you know, that she went that extra step to find out. So yeah, so this is the game day shirt.
Very fun.
It is. And you could really dress this up too with some nice white pants. You could make it dressy. You could.
Oh yeah, with the right jewelry and
yeah,
shoes.
So very versatile. Okay, my last top coming up. And for the final piece, which I think is probably my favorite, and I don't know if that has anything to do with it being navy or not, but I tend to go towards the navy. But I just love this top. It's got like the little twist type bottom. It's longer, a good bit longer in the back. It has the pretty V-neck and a very pretty pattern. It's very sheer, and Nichole suggested wearing something under it. I don't have a dark cami, but I have a dark tank top on with it right now. But I think I would go for the cami because I'm a little bit warm. Okay, and what is this one?
This is the West Key Allura Knot Detail Blouse in navy, and it is $42 at retail price. It's very pretty. I love the floral print. I love florals.
Well, I do think this is my favorite out of all of them. It's a little dressier. This is not necessarily what I wear to a football game, but that's okay too, because Nichole, I think she really does get my style, because all of these were just right there.
Definitely.
They were all my style. If it were just for what I liked, it would definitely be a 5 for 5, but my budget's not going to allow a 5 for 5, I don't think. I did want to show you the style cards, because I would love, with this shirt, I don't know if you can see because it's white on white, but these pants right here, I told Rebecca, I'm sort of getting over the cropped, shorter pants, and I'm about ready for some full-length pants, and these have a little bit wider leg on them, and I would love that. I think that would be such a pretty outfit for anything, for church, for work, for going out at night. you know, and I just, Nichole, if you're watching this, I would love to have a pair of those pants. I don't know what you call them. I wish I knew what you called some of the things that they put on the cards along
Style
with it.
cards have some great ideas.
Yeah, to request those. So I'm going to be looking out for those wider leg pants. But yeah, that's my Stitch Fix haul. And does it have like a total price and everything?
Yes, the subtotal for all 5 of these items is $236. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which takes away $59 from that price, bringing the subtotal to $177.
Oh wow. Yeah, $177, and it's 5 tops. So, you know, well, it is what it is. But what I would love for you to comment below on the one piece that's your absolute favorite. I know when I watch other videos, that's what I usually comment, you know, and a lot of times I like it all, but I absolutely love this certain piece. So tell me which one is your favorite and which one you think actually suits me the best. I would appreciate it so much. And if you haven't already, we would love to have you subscribe to our channel. We just picked up another subscriber today, and I think we're up to 96, so we're 4 away.
Oh, 4 away from 100.
Yes.
Give us a thumbs up.
That's right. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. And, oh, another thing is, and I think I failed to do this in my last couple of videos, but I will try to list all the items that I got down below, so that if you want to request any of them, if you saw anything that tickled your fancy, you can request that item from your stylist. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, it's so much fun. $20 styling fee. Anything you purchase that $20 will go towards that. And you can use our link below to get a $25 credit, I believe, towards your first purchase or towards a purchase. I'm not sure if it'll be your first purchase or the one after that. I'm not exactly sure when it's applied, but still, $25. And I tell you, I've had such good luck with, I shouldn't call it luck because Nichole does a lot of hard work, but I've just enjoyed Stitch Fix, and I almost always find at least one item that I like. Most of the time I find more than I need to find that I like. But yeah, try it. It's so much fun. It's so much fun to get it at your door. So much fun just to try on with what you have in your closet, mix and match and everything. And yeah, we're so glad that you joined us tonight.
And today's episode featured our guest star, Pumpkin the Cat.
Yes.
So that's who that is over there.
So, yes, like I said, she wasn't ladylike in part of the first take that we took. So I hope she's minded herself the rest of the time. So, until next time, we will see you. And again, thank you so much for watching. And if you've already subscribed to us, we appreciate you so much. Thank you.
We hope you have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.